Okay, this was like not even expected. I just logged on to YouTube, but I saw it in my sub box. B.A.P's Rain Sound is out. About to do a super impromptu reaction. I'm not even prepared for this. Super impromptu, so we're just gonna go for it. This reminds me of I Remember. Singing! When did they give him parts? Oh my god. Oh my god. Break the chair, break the chair, break that chair. Ooh, we're dancing. All emotional like. My face is gonna hurt if I keep slapping. What is with that dummy in the background? What is that? What? Okay. I'm gonna let that go. Oh, it sounds like top. Hold on. I can't hurt my feelings right now. Oh, I'm done with this group. He looks so fetus-like. All you did was pour. Why is it green? Why is everything? Okay. This is the color of the fandom. That's what it is. Hot here. I'm excited. Why are you breaking? Why is everyone breaking things? What did the dummy do to you? Why does the dummy remind you of a lost lover? They're all in white. It is so beautiful. I'm so loud. I don't care. Sing it, dude. Sing it, dude. Spin. Just, I don't care. Going on? Why is everyone dying? I'm so confused. This is just like I remember. With these paintball guns and shit. Oh my god. Younghook. He's the only one who looked attractive during the run. I'm sorry. I love all of them. That was not cute. Look at him. Oh my god. My feelings are in overload. Oh my god. Did you see Younghook doing all of that? Oh my god. I feel so ridiculous. Okay. So, okay. I'm freaking done with life, right? Oh god. I gotta play that again. I'm gonna go. I gotta play that again. That was so beautiful. B.A.P. You've done it again.